That's why Valentine is coming. Where's our boyfriend? You are sitting at home. Lonely. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to give you guys some ideas on what to do on Valentine's Day when you're single. Yeah, so these are just some events that I thought would be fun to do on Valentine's Day, and with the circumstances we are in now, it's nearly impossible to go meet up with your friends. Before we get into the video, I would just like to take this moment to ask y'all to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. No, I'm just kidding. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more entertaining content. And so I got all of them on my phone, and let's get started. The first thing you can do on Valentine's Day is write yourself a love letter. I know during quarantine and during lockdown, a lot of us have been able to discover our talents, what we're good at, what we like, considering we had a lot more time than previous. You can just take this time to kind of appreciate how much you've grown during lockdown or during quarantine. And you can do that by writing in a letter, and then when you're done, you can obviously keep it, and maybe after 10 years, reopen the letter and see how far you've come from this moment. Second thing is to have a spa day. Self-care, very important, especially in 2021. We are taking care of ourselves a little bit more, okay? You can have a nice spa day. You can just hop in the bathtub with some bath bombs and watch a TV show while you're there, or put some music on and just relax and have the time of your life. Afterwards, you can also do face masks or hair masks, whatever it is you want to do. The next thing we have is a movie night with friends. Now, some countries like Belgium are still in like a partial lockdown. So we're only allowed one visit from a close contact. You can have multiple close contacts, but they're not allowed to be in the house at the same time. But that is not a problem because we got technology, people, come on. So I want to take a quick second to talk about Scener. And Scener is basically a Chrome extension that helps you and your friends watch TV shows, YouTube videos, etc. together. I have tried Netflix Party, which I think now changed into Teleparty, and yeah, they're nice, but all you have access to is a chat on the side, which is good and all, it's fun and all, but it doesn't seem quite intimate as watching something together. However, Scener is very close to an intimate movie night. Scener is free. They have different streaming services that they support, like Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, HBO Max, Hotstar, YouTube, and other streaming services. So yeah, you have no excuse to not have a movie night with your friends. This is not sponsored, by the way. I am in no position to be sponsored right now, but if they see this, y'all hit me up. Now that you have Scener, another thing you could do is watch psychic YouTube videos. So I am not going to lie, I have been doing this a lot. Basically, I have been watching psychic YouTube videos because I just find them really fascinating, and sometimes they're very accurate and kind of scary. The next thing is something you can actually do if you're back home with your family, or if you have someone in the house already, like a roommate, and that is like a karaoke dance party type of night. And I always do this with my sister. We always have so much fun with karaoke, and we also do like K-pop random dances, which are so tiring but so much fun. And it also helps us bond since we have such a huge age gap. The next thing is you can bake. You can bake anything you want. If you want to bake cookies, bake heart-shaped cookies, make pancakes, bake cake, chocolate cake, strawberry, ganache, I don't know. Just get yourself in the kitchen, keep yourself busy, and enjoy the aftermath of destroying your kitchen. Next thing is to eat chocolate covered everything. You do you. If you see something you like, put some chocolate on it and mwah, chef's kisses. So last but not least, you can just enjoy your own company and have a drink or two, if you know what I'm saying. You can turn your favorite movie on, have some wine ready, have some chocolate covered whatever ready. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and I will see you next time. Bye.